It is at this point in the service where I offer women the opportunity to excuse themselves to the bathroom, which is where I went when I was afraid Mother's Day was about to be glorified from the pulpit. And indeed, we rejoice this day for all the beautiful children born and for the mothers. However, this is a church that also doesn't linger on a day we know causes so much grief for so many people. I saw a fascinating activity on Facebook this week where women and parents were asked to use different colored hearts to tell their story of motherhood. Yellow heart means born into heaven before born on earth. Heart with a star, girl. Blue heart, boy. Swirling set of hearts, foster child. Disrupted adoption is two hearts together. A purple heart went to heaven after living on earth. And a green heart, bonus child gained by blending families. Can you tell where I'm going with this? This is a day of rejoicing and a day of grief, and sometimes a day of both for women and parents. I just wish there was a colorful heart for the under 5-year-old unvaccinated children living in a pandemic, but I digress. Also, if this day weren't emotional enough, this week we read of the leaked decision of the Supreme Court on Roe versus Wade. While I will not make a pronouncement on the sacredness of a fetus or unborn child, I will make an appeal to pro-birthers to consider that in Missouri, if this passes, the morning after pill will be illegal, IUDs will not be allowed as a form of birth control for women, parents with fertility issues and their doctors will be subject to criminal investigation if a frozen embryo doesn't result in a baby. Fetuses lacking essential organs to survive will not be allowed mercy in the womb. Mothers whose lives become at risk as a result of pregnancy will not be spared. Frozen embryos are not about hearing a heartbeat. IUDs, not about hearing a heartbeat. Sexual assault, not about hearing a heartbeat. And so on this day, we sit also with the women grieving infertility. We comfort the women whose foster children were returned by the system. We offer hope to women reminded of sexual assault. We affirm the women made to feel guilty for not having children. And we give space to the women angry that politicians want to control them, but not men. Please join my mother and me for reading responsively Lamentations 3:49 through 66. My eyes will flow without ceasing, without respite, until the Lord from heaven looks down and sees.
My eyes cause me grief at the fate of all the young women in my city.
Those who were my enemies without cause have hunted me like a bird. They flung me alive into a pit and hurled stones on me. Water closed over my head. I said, I am lost.
I called on your name, O Lord, from the depths of the pit. You heard my plea. Do not close your ear to my cry for help, but give me relief.
You came near when I called on you. You said, do not fear. You have taken up my cause, O Lord. You have redeemed my life.
You have seen the wrong done to me, O Lord. Judge my cause. You have seen all their malice, all their plots against me.
You have heard their taunts, O Lord. All their plots against me, the whispers and murmurs of my assailants are against me all day long.
Whether they sit or rise, see, I am the object of their taunt songs. Pay them back for their deeds, O Lord, according to the work of their hands.
This is the word of the Lord.
Lord, hear our prayer.